Before history was written, there was a war not of land, but of substance. The Hyperborean wisdom tells us that we are not from here. We are spirits, fragments of the incognizable, trapped in a material trap designed by the demiurge. In the beginning, the Earth did not tilt. It sat in a galactic circuit, locked in a glow discharge. This was the polar configuration. To the Greeks, it was Hyperborea. To the Hindus, it was Mount Meru. To the Zoroastrians, Hyperborea. This wasn't just a place. It was a state of being. In this high-energy plasma environment, human blood remained coherent. There was no trauma, no strategic confusion. The spirit could see its origin through the black sun. This is what the Vedas called the Vajra Deha, the diamond body. A body with zero electrical resistance. The rishis and the early sishas weren't priests. They were technicians of the frequency. They heard the Vedas because the atmosphere was a literal transmission of information. But this equilibrium was a threat to the material prison. The universe of the demiurge is not chaotic. It is a rigid, mathematical lattice. In modern physics, we call it the E8 lattice, a 248-dimensional symmetry that contains every particle and force in existence. To the Hyperborean, this is the great mirror, a crystalline trap that reflects the spirit's light back on itself, creating the illusion of matter. To stabilize this lattice, the Synarchy uses the 8-octad, in ancient Gnosticism and Hyperborean lore. These are the 8 spheres, or heavens, that the spirit must pass through to reach the origin. Each octad acts as a frequency filter. If your blood is traumatized or incoherent, you cannot vibrate fast enough to pass the 8th gate. You are reflected back into the reincarnation cycle. The Great War was the moment the E8 lattice shifted. The astras were tools used to punch holes in the octad. When Krishna reveals his universal form in the Gita, he is showing Arjuna the E8 matrix itself, the terrifying, infinite complexity of the material machine. Arjuna's despair is the realization that he is a spirit trapped in a 248-dimensional clockwork. The Zoroastrians understood the 8-octad. Their entire religion is based on Asha divine order, while the warriors of the Mahabharata tried to break the grid with astras. The Zoroastrians tried to align with the 8th sphere to find the exit. Their fire rituals were tuning protocols to synchronize the human heart with the E8 symmetry, allowing the spirit to slide through the cracks in the lattice.